So now we come to the sciatic nerve. Sciatic nerve. As discussed, introduction. What you should not write in the introduction? It is very important now. So instead, what will you write? It is the thickest nerve in the body. What will you write? It is the thickest nerve in the body. It is so thick कि to supply it, there is a blood vessel inside it. उसको सप्लाई करने के लिए उसके अंदर एक ब्लड वेसल रहता है. And therefore it is also called as pregnant nerve. Pregnant female, उसके अंदर एक बच्चा होता है. So this nerve, there is a artery inside, and therefore this is called as pregnant nerve, thickest nerve in the body. Root value. Other medical colleges, they ask root value L4, L5, S1, S2, S3. आप में से अगर कोई अगर एग्जाम में बोला ना ऐसे, तो मैं उधर आके मारूंगा और फिर अपने आप को अग्रीपाड़ा पुलिस के हवाले कर दूंगा. Okay. I am ready to stay in Arthur Road jail for my life. तो खाली L4, L5, S1, S2, S3 नहीं बोलना है. The tibial component has different root value. Common peroneal has different root value. अभी ये मैं बीच में जगह छोड़ रहा हूँ, क्यों छोड़ रहा हूँ बाद में बताता हूँ. तो tibial component L4, L5, S1, S2, S3. Common peroneal part L4, L5, S1, S2. From the anterior primary rami, ये तो बराबर है, ये तो सबका रहेगा. Posterior rami don't form plexus. Anterior primary rami. Tibial component is from the ventral divisions. Common peroneal is from the dorsal divisions. So tibial part of sciatic, the root value is ventral divisions of the anterior primary rami of L1, L2, L3, L4, L5, S1, S2, S3, because ventral divisions always supply the flexors. Ventral divisions always supply the flexors. Tibial part is supplying hamstrings, which are flexors of the knee joint. It is going to supply gastrocnemius, soleus, which are flexors of the ankle. It supplies all the flexors. Common peroneal is going to supply the extensors. So therefore dorsal divisions. So जो common peroneal का एक branch है ना, वो tibia और fibula के gap में से ऐसे बाहर आ जाता है. शादी में आप छोटे बच्चे शादी में जाते हैं तो क्या करते हैं? फोटो के समय वो हस्बैंड और वाइफ के बीच में से देखा आपने, और उधर जाके खड़े रहेंगे. वो बेचारा हस्बैंड उसको पास में लाने का कर रहा है वाइफ को, और ये बीच में बच्चा छोटा. तो ये टीबिया है, फिब्यूला है, इसके बीच में से आप यू हैव एक्सपीरियंस दिस. आप छोटे थे तो जानबूझ के लोग बड़े बात कर रहे तो बीच में से भागने का एक अलग मजा आप लोग ने कभी ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस नहीं किया? पकड़ा पकड़ी करते हैं और ये सब आपके घर वाले फिर एक हाथ फटका भी आपको ऐसा जाते जाते बड़े लोग बात कर रहे तो बीच में से जाने का. टिबिया फिब्यूला एक दूसरे से बात करे, बीच में से कौन जाता है? कॉमन पेरोनियल का एक ब्रांच डीप पेरोनियल करके, वो जाके यहां पे आ जाता है. इट कम्स हियर. और ये मसल्स क्या है? दीज आर एक्सटेंसर्स ऑफ द एंकल. दीज आर एक्सटेंसर्स ऑफ द एंकल. एंकल, सपोज दिस इज माई एंकल जॉइंट. So ankle joint, this is extension and this is flexion. So if these muscles on the anterior surface of the tibia, lateral side, medial side to subcutaneous, these will be the extensors and therefore dorsal division. Because this is eventually going to supply the extensors. Ventral divisions because it supplies the flexors of the knee joint, flexors of the ankle joint, flexors of the digits. All flexors in the leg are supplied, most of them, except for the hip joint flexors, most of them are supplied by the tibial nerve, and therefore it is from which divisions? Ventral divisions of anterior primary rami of L4, L5, S1, S2, S3, while common peroneal is dorsal divisions of anterior primary rami of S1, S2. Okay, so this is clear that the root value. Now we will talk about the course of the sciatic nerve and then we will talk about the relations. But before that, origin. Origin is from the sacral plexus. Oh, so femoral nerve, obturator nerve, where from which plexus? Lumbar plexus. This is from the sacral plexus. From the lumbar plexus, there is something called as lumbosacral trunk, which goes to the sacral plexus, and that's how L4, L5 get added to the sacral plexus. That's how L4, L5 gets added to the sacral plexus. Now this nerve, its course, मैं ना पूरा हाइपोग्लाइसेमिक हो गया अभी. Course starts in pelvis. Sacral plexus is in the pelvis. Course starts in the pelvis. So pelvis, if you are looking, if you go inside the pelvis, आप pelvis के अंदर गए, ऐसा pelvis है, और फिर आप देख रहे sacrum का anterior surface, तो वहां पे यू सी द पायरिफॉर्मिस टेकिंग ओरिजिन, ई शेप्ड ऐसे पायरिफॉर्मिस टेकिंग ओरिजिन. सो यू आर लुकिंग एट द पायरिफॉर्मिस. आप पेल्विस के अंदर गए और जाके ऐसे देख रहे. ओके, एंड देन इन फ्रंट ऑफ दिस यू विल सी द sciatic. So which view? This, you are inside the pelvis. So it is in the pelvis, it lies in front of the piriformis. In front of the piriformis. So this is the sacrum. Okay. In front of the piriformis. Then it leaves the pelvis. It leaves the pelvis. It leaves the pelvis by passing through greater sciatic foramen. Greater sciatic foramen. And then it enters the gluteal region. Okay, so origin of this nerve is in the pelvis. They leave the pelvis by passing through greater sciatic foramen. So piriformis भी उधर से ही जाता है ना बाहर. Now I am drawing a different diagram. Okay, now I am drawing the diagram of the maybe, okay, this is the greater sciatic foramen through which the piriformis is coming out. Okay, and किधर रहेगा फिर sciatic nerve? Whether it will be, you are looking from behind now. नाउ यू आर लुकिंग फ्रॉम बिहाइंड, पीछे से देख रहे. ये कौन सा व्यू है? आगे से देख रहे थे, पेल्विस में जाके देख रहे. ये क्या है इधर? अभी बॉडी के बाहर आके ग्लूटियल रीजन को आप देख रहे हो. तो साइटिक नर्व कहां से आएगी? इधर से आएगी, इधर से आएगी, इसके ऊपर से, ऐसे ऊपर से आएगी, नीचे से आएगी. हाँ, हाथ ऊपर करो. कितने लोगों को लगता है ऊपर से आएगी? कितने लोगों को लगता है नीचे से आएगी? यस, इट विल कम. बाकी नोटा वाले है ही सब, फायदा नहीं 18 साल के होने का. सी, inside my pelvis it is like this. It is in front of the piriformis. Now when I go behind and I am watching, I see it coming out deep to the piriformis. Deep to the piriformis. So when I am looking from posterior aspect, what was anterior to piriformis looks deep. So when we are looking from posterior aspect, deep means anterior. When you are looking from posterior aspect, deep means anterior, superficial means posterior. That's why it's posterior or superficial relations in the gluteal region. It's posterior or superficial relation will be gluteus maximus. Right? This whole thing will be covered by gluteus maximus. Will be posterior and superficial relation. Huh? What will be its anterior or deep relation? ये अपने, ये क्या है? What is this? Tricipital tendon. And what is this? Quadratus femoris. Then this is superior gemellus, obturator internus, inferior gemellus. So what will be this relation of the sciatic nerve? Anterior or posterior? Anterior ना, पीछे से देख रहे हैं ना आप. See, ये जो है आप पीछे से देख रहे हो. आपने ग्लूटियस मैक्सिमस निकाला. बॉडी इज इन प्रोन पोजीशन. Body is in prone position. So first, solo easy term. We'll talk about easy term. These things are deep to the sciatic nerve. That you agree? Gluteus maximus will be superficial. Gluteus maximus निकाला, फिर आपको ये पिक्चर दिखेगा. ऐसा ही दिखता है बॉडी में. Gluteus maximus. So gluteus maximus is superficial, but in anatomical position, whatever relations we describe in anatomical position, na. So anatomical position में these structures, because you are looking from behind, they are anterior. So whatever is deep is anterior, whatever is superficial is posterior when you are looking from posterior aspect. Anybody who has still not understood this? हाथ ऊपर करो. Okay. ठीक. So what is anterior or deep relation? बोलो. In gluteal region, superior gemellus, obturator internus, then inferior gemellus, quadratus femoris. ज्यादा कंफ्यूजन हो गया, डीप लिखो. सुपरफिशियल इज ग्लूटियस मैक्सिमस. ओके. वेयर आर ऑल दीज मसल्स इंसर्टेड? Greater trochanter. Right? They are all inserted on the, they go for their insertion on the greater trochanter. And here is their origins, most of them are from the ischial region. So then it enters the gluteal region, where we have talked about its deep and superficial relation. What is superficial? Gluteus maximus. What is deep? Superior gemellus, inferior gemellus, obturator internus, and so then it leaves the gluteal region. It leaves the gluteal region. Leaves the gluteal region by passing between ischial tuberosity and greater trochanter. By passing between ischial tuberosity, देखो ischial tuberosity यहाँ पे, यहाँ से सारे तो ischium से एक्चुअली ओरिजिन ले रहे हैं ये सब, और ग्रेटर ट्रोकेंडर पे इंसर्ट हो रहे हैं, तो दोनों के बीच में से वो निकल जाती है, एंड देन इट एंटर्स बैक ऑफ थाई. इट एंटर्स बैक ऑफ थाई. Back of thigh is which compartment? Hamstring compartment. So origin was from where? Sciatic nerve? Pelvis. How did it leave the pelvis? By passing through greater sciatic nerve. How? Okay. Then it entered. How did it leave the gluteal region? Passing between ischial tuberosity and greater trochanter. And where it has entered now? Hamstring. Back of. See, now the back of thigh, this what is this? Ischial tuberosity. यहाँ से कौन से ओरिजिन लेते हैं मसल्स? सेमी मेम्ब्रेनोसिस, सेमी टेंडेनोसिस, बाइसेप्स फेमोरिस, वो लैटरली जाता है ना. तो now this nerve is coming down. This nerve is coming down. What is there medially? Now we are talking about relations in the posterior compartment of thigh. What is its medial relation? Semimembranosus, semitendinosus. What is its lateral relation? Biceps femoris. Okay. What is crossing it? So what is that relation? Anterior or posterior? Posterior ना, posterior. Anatomical position में sciatic nerve और उसको पीछे से क्रॉस कर रहे हैं. Superficial और posterior, deep और anterior. तो व्हाट इज देयर एंटीरियरली अभी तक मैंने बात नहीं किया. पोस्टीरियरली व्हाट इज देयर? बाइसेप्स femoris, crossing it superficially. So firstly it is posterior, then it becomes lateral. Anteriorly ये एरिया में जो मसल है, huge muscle, adductor magnus. So anteriorly is adductor the magnus. The nerve lies on adductor magnus. Okay, दे दो. The nerve lies on adductor magnus. Anterior or anterior or deep. Posterior or only when you are looking from the posterior side. Okay. So these are the relations in the hamstring compartment. Okay. So at the back of the thigh it enters and it ends by dividing into ends by dividing at the superior angle of popliteal fossa. Ends by dividing into terminal branches. So popliteal fossa is like this, right? So sciatic nerve when it comes here, it divides into tibial and common peroneal. So this, when we are talking about a pyriform shaped structure, we say superior angle, inferior angle, medial angle, lateral angle. So ends by dividing at the superior angle, ends by dividing into tibial and common peroneal at the superior angle of popliteal fossa. Course is clear? Course is clear? Starts in pelvis, leaves pelvis by greater sciatic notch, enters gluteal region, leaves gluteal region by passing between ischial tuberosity and then enters back of the thigh, where it lies on adductor magnus, crossed by biceps femoris, and ends by dividing into tibial and common peroneal at the superior angle of popliteal fossa. Branches, articular branches to the hip joint, articular branches to the hip joint, and muscular branches, tibial part of the sciatic moids. इधर जब हम लिखते हैं branches, we say tibial part of the sciatic supplies semimembranosus, semitendinosus, long head of biceps femoris, and adductor magnus. And common peroneal part supplies short head of biceps femoris. Is it clear to you? So basically tibial part of sciatic nerve, repeat kai Vivek, it supplies hamstrings. Common peroneal supplies the short head of biceps femoris. While the tibial part of the sciatic nerve supplies semimembranosus, semitendinosus, long head of biceps femoris, and adductor magnus. To be very clear, hamstring part of the adductor magnus, but no need to write like that. Okay? Coming to the last part, applied anatomy. The nerve roots can get compressed because lumbar se aa rahe. Lumbar spine is the most susceptible for tear of the disc prolapse. So L4 L5 पे disc prolapse हो गया तो person gets pain like this here in this region ऐसे. So some irritation on L4 L5 level person, there can be irritation of the sciatic nerve. The irritation of the sciatic nerve, there is shooting pain because this is one of the nerves. यहाँ से shooting pain starts in the loin and goes behind the thigh, behind the leg and up to the foot, and that is called the famous sciatica. आपको एक ना एक तो ओल्ड पर्सन मिलेगा बोले sciatica हो गया. क्या हो गया sciatica? इधर से दुखने को चालू होता है, इससे इधर से पीछे से इधर से फुट तक. sciatic nerve का कोर्स बता रहे हो. Okay, sciatica. So that is when there is a damage. Some temporary damage takes place when prolonged sitting. आप बैठ जाते हैं तो sciatic nerve gets compressed. फिर आप उठते हैं, हे रुक होता है क्या कभी कभी. Prolonged sitting it gets compressed, and then after some time, so that is called as slipping foot because of prolonged sitting. Immediately it gets cured. Not using the word cured, it comes back to normal. Okay, but sciatica is the pathology of the sciatic nerve in case of the nerve root irritation, anything between L4 L5. Okay, S1 S2 S3, that because sacrum is itself the vertebrae have united, so no disc prolapse happens there, but L4 L5 level the disc prolapse can happen. Okay, so that's all about the sciatic nerve. Thank you so much.